Most people look out at a tiny, exposed balcony or a simple window view and see a restrictive architectural dead end. A senior designer recognizes it as a blank, three-dimensional canvas waiting for the execution of a weightless botanical illusion. Today, we are performing material alchemy on our upper planes. We are moving past the structural limitation of tight square footage and revealing the structural logic behind high-end balcony garden ideas, converting lightweight containers, staggered ladder systems, and climbing flora into an interconnected geometric skeleton that floats mid-air. If you're ready to learn how to trick the eye into seeing infinite depth while building a thriving, lush haven that blocks out the urban noise, you're home. I'm Beki, and this is the Hanging Garden Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today is Thursday, June 11th, 2026, and we are shifting our perspective upward to unlock a visual feast of space-saving tricks and gorgeous plant combinations. In 2026, premium outdoor styling isn't about ripping out floorboards or overcrowding your deck space with massive, heavy pots. It's about the precise atmospheric curation of light, scale, and vertical height. We are mastering the critical mechanics of solar orientation, root drainage, and architectural scaling to turn even the slimmest urban footprint into a flourishing, private oasis that will make your neighbors completely jealous. Let's step into the alchemy. The Hanging Garden Revelation 1. The philosophy of the floating canopy. In the world of Beki Decor, dreaming of a balcony overflowing with vibrant flowers and lush greenery should never be thwarted by a tight, compact floor plan. This is where we introduce material alchemy. Most people see a small concrete balcony and assume they are limited to a couple of lonely pots sitting on the ground. They end up cluttering their walking path, leaving the upper two-thirds of their outdoor space completely cold, empty, and exposed. In 2026, we completely re-engineer the urban footprint by executing the hanging garden illusion. We treat the vertical walls, the railings, and the ceilings as our primary planting canvas. By understanding how to float greenery weightlessly, you can transform the tiniest outdoor space into a flourishing, multi-dimensional haven without sacrificing a single inch of functional floor space. It is an approach rooted in design freedom, proving that your eyes can be cheated into seeing deep, infinite nature even within a rigid city landscape. 2. Solar logic. Mapping your microclimate. Before you pick up a single trowel, or purchase your first cultivar, you must master the structural logic of your balcony's unique solar orientation. Every thriving garden begins with a precise environmental assessment of space and light. You must spend a full day observing exactly how much direct sunlight your balcony receives from morning until dusk, keeping in mind that these light patterns will naturally pivot with the changing seasons. If your balcony faces south, you are working with a high-intensity light zone ideal for sun-loving plants, heavy fruiting tomatoes, or fragrant Mediterranean herbs. Conversely, a north-facing balcony demands a completely different palette of shade-tolerant ferns, lush hostas, or elegant caladiums. Ignoring this critical light matrix means fighting against biology. By aligning your plant selection strictly with the natural path of the sun, you guarantee that your vertical oasis grows thick, dense, and effortlessly radiant. 3. Container engineering, drainage, and fluidity. Once you have mapped your light, you must select the appropriate vessel framework. Choosing the right containers is a dual exercise in high aesthetics and strict physical functionality. First, you must ensure with absolute certainty that every single pot possesses clear drainage holes, allowing stagnant water to sit at the base of your soil matrix suffocates the roots and triggers rapid, irreversible root rot. Second, weight is your primary structural constraint when building upward. You must opt for high-quality, lightweight containers, such as fiber clay, eco-resins, or upcycled materials, so you can easily adjust their positions as the seasonal sun shifts across your deck. Don't be afraid to perform a bit of material upcycling here, converting old wooden crates or weathered metal buckets into customized planters adds an incredible touch of rustic, individual character while maintaining a perfectly balanced, lightweight footprint. 4. Vertical artistry. Building the geometric skeleton. Now, let's execute the true artistry, utilizing your vertical space to dramatically expand your planting footprint. To create the striking illusion of an endless hanging garden, we build a multi-tiered geometric skeleton. Instead of letting pots sit flat on the deck, install floating minimalist wall shelves, or introduce a clean wooden A-frame ladder to stagger your flora at completely different heights. This structural hierarchy allows you to train climbing plants, like sweet jasmine, English ivy, or vining cherry tomatoes, to climb upwards along custom wire supports or open trellises. Vertical gardening does more than just conserve your valuable floor area. It builds a dense, living screen that wraps the balcony in a secluded, deeply private atmosphere. It completely blocks the direct line of sight from neighboring units, turning your exposed balcony into a highly secure, personal sanctuary. 5. Architectural plant selection and composition. A masterfully styled balcony garden relies on a sophisticated mixture of functional crops and rich, high-contrast aesthetics. For beginners stepping into this world, I highly recommend grounding your layout with resilient, low-maintenance species like hardy succulents, aromatic kitchen herbs, or deeply texturized ferns. These varieties establish a consistent, reliable base of green luxury year-round. To create focal points that capture incoming light, introduce pops of seasonal color with bright petunias or soft pansies arranged at eye level. If you want your vertical canvas to serve your lifestyle practically, integrate compact edible varieties, crispy salad greens, vibrant peppers, and cascading tomatoes thrive beautifully in vertical wall pockets. This brilliant layering of textures and utilities ensures that your floating garden looks complex, rich, and full of visual volume. 6. The final reveal, ambience and sensory rest. The final layer of atmospheric curation comes from the personal touches that transform a collection of plants into a true home retreat. Your balcony garden should be an authentic reflection of your style, a peaceful destination where you genuinely want to sit, breathe, and unwind after a long day. Introduce comfortable, low-profile seating like a woven lounge chair, or a floating hammock to invite total physical relaxation. As twilight approaches, Establish luminous integrity by layering soft, low-voltage accent lighting. Think delicate fairy lights woven through your vertical trellises, or solar-powered lanterns casting warm shadows from the floor. By performing regular, mindful maintenance, watering consistently, fertilizing to replenish nutrients, and pruning dead branches to maximize clean air circulation, your garden will stay radiantly healthy. You've successfully engineered a breathtaking, floating oasis that brings immense joy and quiet satisfaction all season long. Grab your tools, trust your hands, and let the balcony garden magic begin. Thank you for spending this workshop hour with me for our Vertical Artistry Masterclass. My deepest prayer for you today is that you stop letting an empty window view or a tiny balcony floor plan hold you back from surrounding yourself with life. Look upward, build your vertical skeletons, and float your sanctuary mid-air. If you've tackled a vertical garden layout, mixed up some gorgeous plant combinations, or used lightweight upcycled crates this week, drop your story in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you this coming Sunday for our next grand reveal. Stay grounded in the light. Remember, your home does not stop at your exterior walls. Your balcony is a three-dimensional canvas waiting for the structural layers that give it life, privacy, and soul. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, to think vertically, and to build an inspired outdoor area that holds your peace with you. Use your hands, master the illusion, and I will see you in the next revelation. Keep engineering your sanctuary.